Google Gemini has helped me to make over this much money. Google Gemini is AI language model that now is competing with ChatGPT, and it's made by Google. It is something really gives you way better result than ChatGPT, and it also gives you the same features that paid version of ChatGPT has, but for completely free, which is pretty cool. So in today's step-by-step tutorial, we'll talk about the method that I've been using to make over this much money with Google Gemini and faceless social media pages. Now, first of all, if you want to make some quick money with Google Gemini, then what you can do is the same thing that people used to do with ChatGPT. When you're just starting out, sell prompts on marketplace like promptbase.com. From this platform, I bought this Instagram prompt at just $6.99. I basically just search here for Instagram Reels and then I just bought one of these. What you can do is you can start selling prompts, especially for Google Gemini, by clicking on the sell button over here. That's the quick idea to start making money with Google Gemini. But here's the better one, and here's what I actually made over this amount only 1 month. It was not only selling prompt on promptbase.com, but what I did is I was promoting affiliate links. So what you can do is you can go to Google Gemini's website, link in the video description, and you can ask Gemini for what are the best affiliate program and offers to promote and whatever niche. For example, in online business niche, and if you scroll down a little bit, you can see that we have all of these different affiliate programs that it's going to recommend, like Wix, Squarespace, Bluehost, and so on. If you go to partnerstack.com, link in the video description, you can find a lot of different high-ticket, high-quality online business-related products and services to promote as an affiliate. Whatever affiliate program you choose, it basically works like this. Find the sign up or get started button, click on it, and then you enter your email address and then click on continue. And then you just grab your affiliate link. What I want you to do now, just look at these Instagram pages. These are completely faceless Instagram pages that are talking about different subjects in different niche, and they are getting tens of thousands of views of these videos, and these are completely faceless, so no one really knows who owns this page. The creator is absolutely anonymous. They are getting all of this traffic, and they are of course promoting their digital product in their bio. Here's another one over here, tech income, and they are talking about side hustle and make money online, and they are promoting something in their bio as well, and they are getting all of this traffic from faceless Instagram account. So what you can do is you can go to Google Gemini and you can enter this prompt, which is creating 5 Instagram reel ideas on the topic that you want. You choose your niche, whatever niche is going to be. It could be health and fitness, gaming, make money online. And here we have first reel idea. So it shows me the visuals that I can use, caption that I can put, hashtag that I can use, and just different reel ideas that I have potential to get a lot of views on Instagram and other social media platforms. And you can then use this prompt that I bought. You can just use it for completely free to just optimize your Instagram account. Use this first one for bio and profile optimization. Paste the prompt here. You can insert your niche. Let's say niche is going to be make money online, and then it just helps you to create Instagram bio that you can just copy paste, and even it shows you like the reasoning behind each sentences. And it also add the call to action. With that, when people sign up with your affiliate link, you will make money. So what I want you to do is find some viral reels that has potential to get a lot of views and you want to replicate. Once you find the reel, just copy the reel link and go to downloadgram.org, link in the video description as well. On this website, paste the video link, or you can say Instagram reel link, and click on the download now button and download your video. Next, go to happyscribe.com, link in the video description, create an account. But this website gives you limited credit to transcribe the video. But with this trick, you can transcribe unlimited videos. Once your credit expires, you can use temporary email addresses to create unlimited account. To get unlimited temporary emails, go to temp-mail.org website. Link in the video description. Anyways, on happyscribe.com, click on Get Started. On the next page, enter your email and create an account. Now click on the transcription and upload your video. Select the video language and simply click on Create button. And now you will get a video transcription of that Instagram reel. You can then just go back to Google Gemini and you can paste this prompt, rewrite the script and make it unique, similar length, just use different hook, slightly different story and different words. And then just paste the script over here that we have transcribed from happyscribe.com and press enter. Now Google Gemini will essentially create this entire script for you. So now what you can do is copy the script written by Google Gemini and paste it into Elevenlabs.io. Link in the video description. This AI tool will allow you to create voiceover from text, and these actually sound very high quality. So you can just choose from one of these voices that would make sense for your niche and your style of your content. Now click on generate and it will generate the entire voiceover that I can use throughout the entire Instagram reel. And then I can simply just go to iCandy.com, link in the video description, to find some stock footages that I can use as a B-roll for these Instagram reels, because I don't want to record anything myself. So what I can do is I would just find footage for my voiceover and click on the download button and download as much footages that I can use in CapCut. CapCut is a free editing tool. On CapCut, click on create new and then select the right resolution, which is 9:16 for TikTok, YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reel. Now drag and drop your footage that you have found on iCandy.com. Now make sure you have downloaded the voiceover from Elevenlabs and you can upload it straight to CapCut.com. Now it's very important that there is always a new footage changing on the screen. So it's going to be very engaging because people on Instagram Reels don't really have patience to watch something that slows. So there has to be always something happening on the screen. It has to be changing pretty fast and you have to have very engaging caption and editing. And that's going to be pretty easy with CapCut, because if you go to caption section, you can just automatically generate captions with one press of button. But most importantly, because they are not really high quality when they are first generated, so what you can do is you can click on animation and select any effect. And that's going to show only one word on a screen at a time. You will then just increase the size of the font and you can use uppercase only, or you can use different types of font. And for the stroke, I would personally add something so that text really stands out. And now if you actually play the video, you can see that it's already very engaging and there is caption on the screen, everything is happening at the same time. So what we can do is we can export directly to Instagram Reel or just download the video and upload it on Instagram account. When you see these type of faceless Instagram pages, it means they are getting hundreds of thousands of views and they are sending people to their affiliate links in their bio. So grow your Instagram account within your niche using this method and Google Gemini prompts that you can find in the video description. So please let me know in the comment section if you found this video valuable, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content. Till then, I'll see you next time.